Well, how want the children to do? This year, they're the birthday of we Gullah statesman Robert Smalls. So we just come from the Gullah Museum right here in Georgetown, South Carolina, and things like that. They pick up the Gullah statesman book and other rest of things about we right here in the Gullah Geechee Nation. But it just come from Bermuda, where Joseph Rainey is a big thing down yonder and things like that. Now here in Georgetown, we're gonna go and find this your son. Why? Because Joseph Rainey was one of we congressmen from your in the Gullah Geechee Nation. He represent all this your area and things like that, and what we call the Reconstruction Congress and things like that. So I had to come back, and no, so I've been coming home right to Georgetown from Bermuda and things like that. So I done pour libation here before me, Elder Carly Tongue and things like that, and I thought that I had to make sure I stopped upon Robert Small's birthday right here to give honor one more again to Joseph Rainey and all he do right here for the Gullah Geechee and for the other rest of children in Bermuda. It bringing riches back here from Bermuda and things like that. So Hunter children, when Hunter there with me, Hunter going know this year that what going on, and we just need Hunter for know all them what going for we who gonna stand up for who we be, and we still be Gullah Geechee anointed people. Thank you, Joseph Rainey.